Today I'm going to show you how you can delete a Facebook page. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to head over to our Facebook. Once we open up our Facebook, we now need to click on the three lines in the top right hand corner. And now we need to click on our profile pictures right there on the right hand side. So click on this and then that will bring you this little pop-up. And what we can do now is select the page that we want to delete. So for me, I will just click on this one. And then as you can see now, it has now switched over to this page's account. So what we can do from here is again click on our profile picture. Click on this and then now we will see the settings icon in the top right corner. Click on that. And then as you can see now at the top of the page right here, there is an option for page settings. Click on page settings and then you'll be brought over to this page. Once we are on this page, what we need to do now is we need to scroll down until we see the option for access and control, which will be there under Facebook page information. Click on this and then as you will notice now there is an option for deactivation and deletion. Click on deactivation and deletion and now you can choose from deactivate page or delete page. So deactivating page will be temporary but delete page will be permanent, so choose the one that you want and then click on continue. And then what you can do now is enter in your password into this box, click on continue and then that will mean that your page will then be deleted.